What's up, guys? It's Vanessa back with another YouTube video on the same exact day. That's forever. Anyways, so today, we're doing basically the same thing. This is just part 2. Transition. I need help. Okay, so we're gonna continue on with what we were doing. The slime game, yeah. So I kept failing with this, so yeah. Okay. I think I have one more. One more? Let's just oh, yeah, this. I think this is Bath Bombs though, because it's called Jelly Bar. So we're not gonna do this, okay? And yeah, so I basically had nothing else, but then I was just gonna make regular slime. I just wanted to test them out. Most of them, they were already made, so I don't know why I spent my money on that. Just kidding. Where's my money? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And now I know I said I hate this slime. And I do, but I don't call this slime. I just call this stupid. Okay, we're done. I just wanted to get that for fun. So that was the purpose of this video. Nah. So comment down below stuff I should do, because I'm really out of ideas. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, there's a lot of things I want to do, but there's just so much editing and stuff. And I like to just do one straight video, because, for example, I'm probably going to get a new phone soon. I'm not sure. Oh, but I'm okay. By the way, if you watched my last video, you saw me going crazy with this. So this is like the sort of final color, and I was gonna put this back in the video. Like, I need help. Yeah. So you see, yeah. So okay. Yeah. So. Anyways, I really want you guys to comment down below stuff I should do, because I really just want to know, basically, because I want to do stuff that makes you peeps happy, even though I only have 3 subscribers. See, I thought it was 2, and then I looked today, it said 3. We're getting so close to 4. It's like, I don't want people to subscribe to my channel so they can see my cringiness. Basically, I post YouTube videos for my stain. Feels special. You're probably watching my other video. Anyways, yeah. Okay, so we're just going to make quick slime. Okay, yeah, family? You feel me. You feel me. Okay, so we're going to add some stuff in it. It's not just going to be regular, like, Vanessa can't go regular. So we're going to use this glue. We're going to use this, it's different kind of glue. That was messy. And I'm also going to use some of this. Just a little bit. I know you're probably like, it makes no difference. You already put glue. Well, hold down. I'm just going to put a little bit of this. Just add water and... Oh! What's this? Okay. Maybe I just want to open I just want to open it a little. I just hurt myself. Oh, run away. Run away from your feelings! Dang it. Back to our normal program. I'm just gonna... Oh my gosh! like legit so cool. It's like snow, the fake snow. Maybe it's like a different way. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Okay, so we're gonna add some lotion now. On my nose. I'm gonna pick my nose, baby. Let's see how this works. I'm curious. I like testing stuff. I was also gonna test one more thing, but I think I'm gonna do that. But anyways. Okay. We're just gonna add a little shaving cream. Not too much, because this is like interesting. I really hope this works, because that would make me very happy. Okay. So, as a result, this was horrible, but it did sort of turn into slime, so does that count? I think it does. I would say that counts. Yeah, it's like, I think if I worked with it more, then yeah. Now, if I can remember in my next video, I might give you an update, like if I still have it, or if I don't and I just say I threw it away, I might not even say that, but I might give you an update. Comment down below if I should give you an update. A lot of stuff you have to comment below, but comment down it below, please. Okay? Okay. Okay. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry this wasn't that much like before. It was just I was very rushed into doing stuff, and this one's a little more chiller, but still like my phone with my storage and stuff. So anyways, so I just wanted to put a part 2. It's not that funny, neither is the other one. Yeah. But anyways, my cheeks are not as red. Yeah, so comment down below videos you want to see, and I'll try to do them. Like if they're truth or dare, and you tell me to go no, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna do something like that. I'm not funny. I should just give up. Anyways. Oh, comment down below if I can be a singer. I'm just kidding. Don't, please. I don't want some hate on my comments. And yeah, so I think that's it. And yeah, if you want, I think I'm gonna make another video. So comment down below if I should make another video like right after this. And if you reply in like 5 minutes after I do this, you might get your chance. Or throughout the night. It depends. If I feel like it, I will. Because I just thought of a different idea I can do. But still, please comment down below ideas. Please. Anyways, bye. Yeah, okay, subscribe. Bye. Hey. I needed an outro and an intro, but Vanessa don't have one.